Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see APJ Abdul Kalam quotes. Number 1. Dream, 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 dreams transform into thoughts and thoughts result in action. 2. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Third, you have to dream before your dreams can come true. Fourth, success is when your signature becomes an autograph. Fifth, small m is a crime, have great aim. Sixth, excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. 7. We should not give up and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. 8. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.